What drives a man to chase speed? For Brad Pitt, it is the thrill, the freedom, the rush of the ride. From tearing down open roads on powerful motorcycles to stepping into the world of Formula One, his love for speed runs deep. Picture this: the open road ahead, the rumble of a powerful machine beneath you, and the rush of the wind as you push the limits of speed. Brad Pitt knows that feeling better than most. Long before he became a Hollywood icon, he was drawn to the thrill of fast rides, from motorcycles to the world of Formula One. His love for speed has only grown, taking him from city streets to high-stakes racing circuits. But what fuels this obsession? And how did his passion for motorcycles lead him to this latest high-speed adventure? Let's find out. Before Brad Pitt became a Hollywood powerhouse, he was a kid in Springfield, Missouri, with a restless spirit and a love for motion. Born on December 18, 1963, in Shawnee, Oklahoma, his family soon moved to Springfield, where he spent his formative years. He graduated from Kickapoo High School in 1982, where he was involved in sports, school musicals, and student government. As a child, he spent hours tinkering with his bicycle, modifying it for more speed, pushing limits even then. His fascination with machines and the rush of acceleration stayed with him, growing stronger as he entered the world of motorcycles. Acting launched him into the global spotlight, but behind the glitz of Hollywood, his true escape was on two wheels. Pitt's love for motorcycles became a defining part of his life. Whether cruising through Los Angeles or embarking on long rides through open California landscapes, he found freedom in the roar of an engine beneath him. His passion is reflected in his impressive collection, which includes retro classics, custom masterpieces, and high-performance modern bikes. In 2006, Brad Pitt and his wife Angelina Jolie rode through Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam on a Yamaha 9-1 before they adopted their son Pax. The Yamaha YZF R1 is a flagship superbike celebrated for its advanced engineering, exceptional performance, and sleek design. At its core lies a 998cc liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder engine, delivering approximately 200 horsepower at 13,500 RPM. This power is managed through a 6-speed transmission with a slipper clutch, ensuring smooth gear transitions and optimal control. Weighing around 443.13 wet and equipped with a 17-liter fuel tank, it balances heft with agility. The bike's aerodynamic bodywork, featuring integrated LED headlights and winglets, enhances airflow and stability at high speeds. A standout feature is its cross-plane crankshift engine, inspired by Yamaha's YZR M1 MotoGP bike, offering linear torque delivery for improved traction and rider control. The advanced electronics package includes slide control, lift control, launch control, a quick-shift system, and power mode selection, allowing riders to customize performance settings. For suspension, the R1 utilizes fully adjustable inverted front forks and a rear monoshock, providing precise handling across various riding conditions. Pricing for the Yamaha YZF R1 varies by region. In the United States, the manufacturer's suggested retail price is approximately $17,599. This adventure exemplifies how motorcycles have been intertwined with significant moments in Brad Pitt's personal life. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe to our channel. Your support enables us to continue bringing you exciting stories and insights. Brad Pitt's passion for motorcycles ignited with the acquisition of his first significant ride, the 1976 Honda CB750. This iconic model, introduced in the late 1960s, revolutionized the motorcycle industry and became a symbol of performance and reliability. The 1976 Honda CB750 featured a 736cc air-cooled inline four-cylinder engine, delivering approximately 67 horsepower at 8,500 RPM. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, this setup allowed the bike to reach top speeds around 120 miles per hour. Its innovative design included a single overhead camshaft and 4 carburetors, setting new standards for motorcycle engineering. Beyond its technical prowess, the CB750 boasted a sturdy steel frame, telescopic front forks, and dual rear shock absorbers, ensuring a balanced and comfortable ride. In 1976, this model was available in a striking candy and Tartarus red color, featuring chrome accents and a distinctive 4x4 exhaust system. Priced around $2,500 in 1976, the CB750 offered an affordable yet powerful option for motorcycle enthusiasts. Its combination of performance, style, and reliability made it a popular choice among riders and cemented its status as a classic in motorcycle history. For Pitt, the 1976 Honda CB750 marked the beginning of a lifelong passion for riding, symbolizing freedom and the thrill of the open road. As Brad Pitt's career flourished, so did his penchant for high-performance motorcycles. Among his esteemed collection, the Ducati Desmosedici RR stands out as a testament to his appreciation for engineering excellence and speed. Introduced in 2006, the Ducati Desmosedici RR is a limited edition masterpiece with only 1,500 units produced worldwide. This road-legal superbike draws directly from Ducati's MotoGP racing technology, offering riders an authentic racing experience. At its core lies a 989cc Desmodromic 90-degree V4 engine, capable of delivering approximately 200 horsepower at 13,800 RPM. Paired with a 6-speed transmission, the Desmosedici RR boasts a top speed exceeding 188 miles per hour, or 303 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles of its time. The bike's design features a steel trellis frame combined with carbon fiber bodywork, ensuring both rigidity and weight reduction. Advanced electronics, such as traction control and data acquisition systems, further enhance the riding experience. In 2006, the Ducati Desmosedici RR was priced around $72,500, reflecting its exclusivity and cutting-edge technology. Today, it remains a highly sought-after collector's item, symbolizing the pinnacle of Ducati's engineering prowess. For Pitt, owning the Desmosedici RR is embracing a piece of racing heritage that aligns with its passion for speed and precision. While the Desmosedici RR represents the cutting edge of racing technology and exclusivity, the 2006 Triumph Bonneville takes a different approach, embracing timeless design and accessible performance. Pitt's love for motorcycles isn't limited to high-performance machines. He also owns a Bonneville, a bike that reflects his appreciation for classic aesthetics and the pure joy of riding. The 2006 Bonneville is equipped with a 790cc air-cooled parallel twin engine, delivering 62 horsepower at 7,400 RPM. This powertrain, coupled with a 5-speed transmission, enables the motorcycle to reach a top speed of approximately 110 miles per hour. In 2006, this model was priced around $7,499, making it an accessible choice for riders seeking a blend of classic aesthetics and modern engineering. Brad Pitt's passion for speed has recently led him to the exhilarating world of Formula One racing. In the upcoming film titled F1, Pitt takes on the role of Sonny Hayes, a seasoned driver making a dramatic return to the sport. Directed by Joseph Kosinski and produced in collaboration with 7-time F1 champion Lewis Hamilton, the film aims to authentically capture the high-octane environment of Formula One racing. To prepare for this role, Pitt immersed himself deeply in the racing world. He underwent extensive training, including test driving modified cars, to realistically portray the skills and nuances of a professional driver. Filming took place at actual Grand Prix events, such as the British Grand Prix at Silverstone and the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix, where Pitt was seen interacting with top drivers and team principals. The hands-on experience not only underscores his commitment to the role, but also reflects his genuine fascination with the sport. The film boasts a star-studded cast, including Damson Idris as Pitt's teammate and Javier Bardem as the team owner, Ruben. With a theatrical and IMAX release date set for June 27, 2025, F1 is poised to offer audiences an immersive glimpse into the thrilling world of Formula One racing. Pitt's dedication to authentically portraying the life of a Formula One driver highlights his relentless pursuit of new challenges and experiences, further solidifying his status as a versatile and committed actor. Brad Pitt's love for motorcycles goes beyond just a hobby. It's a passion for speed, craftsmanship, and adventure. Whether riding a Zero engineering bike or another custom masterpiece, his collection reflects his deep appreciation for two-wheeled artistry. For more insights into the thrilling intersection of celebrity and motorsports, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our next video, where we delve deeper into the exhilarating world of high-speed pursuits.